Alright, so I've just started a new YouTube channel. It's called WaveyPhysics, to teach, to inspire, to entertain. It's going to be focused around science and engineering, so you can expect to see a lot of technical content, product development insights, explanations of engineering concepts, technical breakdowns. I want to bring the camera away with me to some of my work trips, so you can expect to see some hands-on engineering, track days, trackside engineering, generally just what it's like to be an engineering consultant. I also want to have some podcast style discussions with me, my friends and my family, talking about what's important to me: business, music, engineering, sport. The first video is live. I'm going to be uploading content as regularly as I can, so go and check that out and expect more.